goodbye to Mark and Laurie. And Audrey. Boy, this is a crazy date. Anyway, patroller and troller are running all over the mound behind them. Now, of course, they've stopped. But this is where they're redigging the pond. I thought babies had bottles, Audrey.
Enzo.
What's he doing?
Enzo!
The horses are waiting. Troller and patroller are behind the tractor there. I don't think they see that the horses are coming back. Hey, Audrey, wave, Grandma. I'm taking your picture. Dirt pile. This is the beginning of the big cattle drive, June 5th, 1993. Celestia's telling Terrell exactly what to say when you leave for the cattle drive, the yeehaw or the yahoo. And we've got Scott and Frank and Jim, the great cowboy. I guess we can go now. Jimmy's arrived. It's very official.
Scott looks like a real dude here.
Right? You have to have one.
Stay on it, Scott.
You did very well, as Audrey would say. Tack likes to circle the group.
Jim, you
Do you want me to get the coffee? Jim?
Huh?
You want the thermos?
No. Head off! Sure you want it.
Yep.
They're going in the wrong direction.
We're already having problems with Terrell's horse. He's going to the house. Oh, they all want to go. They say, why aren't they taking me? They're showing off for the other horses. They're having a fit. Well, they're going back to their pals. I guess they've decided. Guys, you want to tell how it was?
It was fun.
Well, this is not still photos.
Jim Peebler, let's hear it. How was it coming up the mountain?
Fabulous. Greatest experience of my life. I'm looking forward to doing it again soon.
Did you feel really hee-hawing?
Yes.
not hee-haw.
Yeehaw! 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 Yeehaw!
Cowboys?
Some of them act like real cowboys.
They jumped off the horse a lot?
That's Terrell. That's Terrell about his trip.
Yeah.
You guys walk for the camera.
Is Sarah the one that had the rodeo?
Just great.
Yeah,
Both Terrell and I had a rodeo.
both of them got.
Did you really get bucked
I
off?
didn't get bucked up. I got spun off. I didn't roll out a buck.
Spun doesn't count, huh?
Spinning the
Well, what happened to Terrell's horse?
Jim couldn't breathe.
I stepped off under
Yeah, it's too bad his expired.
Jenny, tell me what it's like to be a spectator of this.
Well, I'll let you know after we eat.
Red, have you seen anything quite like this when you are on a horse? Or?
Yeah, I haven't been here that long.
No, I don't think Jim did.
Charlie,
Yes, ma'am.
are you going to do this again next year?
Only thing I want to know is why every time we do something with the peoplers, it's either raining or snowing, winds blowing 90 mile an hour.
Well,
Don't you people ever play anything on normal days?
well, in Hawaii, that means good luck.
We've had nothing but good luck. Jim.
What made the whole trip?
Hey,
Ready to come off of there, Jim?
yeah. Where's your plate?
That's left.
We're waiting until the last sticks are off. Dry here. That's what.
Run through. What's it like?
Oh,
Great.
it's good.
Good.
I'm so hungry right now. That raw horse would taste good. Carol's, Carol's potatoes and stuff is real good.
Oh,
I haven't
good.
got into this Black Angus steak yet, but I'm gonna try real hard.
Well, Jim, the cooking's over almost. What is it like?
That food's good, hon.
Oh, good.
Good trip.
The beans were exceptionally good.
Were they good?
What there was of them. What there was of them.
Well, there goes one pair of nylons.
We had way too many beans. We knew how many we needed, we had too many.
What?
Should have had some